Hey there, Brock Elementary students and parents. It's Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for April 27th through May 1st. First off, I wanted to give you guys an update on registration. I know that especially pre-K and kindergarten, you guys were ready for that this week, but we are still working through some kinks in the new program, and we want to make sure that we work through all of those things before we roll it out and cause any undue stress. So please know that we are working diligently on getting that up and running. We're hoping to have it up and ready for you guys by this Thursday, but we will be putting more information out about that on our Facebook page and also our website. So please be looking for that information, and we will be sending it out as soon as we're ready to go. So just know that you're not behind on anything. We're still working on some stuff. We do have some birthdays this week that we want to go ahead and recognize and celebrate. First off, we have Coach Cody. We hope you have a wonderful birthday. And student birthdays, we've got Hudson Bruton, Kyson Kemp, Lorelei Booth, Caden Bray, Hayden Lamar, Luis Camacho, Tate Ferranti, Landon Lucas, Kate Anderson, Brantley Wyatt, Clayton Burkett, and Catherine Sanowski. We hope you guys all have a fantastic and wonderful birthday, and you find little ways to celebrate while we're at home. Couple other things. Again, we are working towards getting stuff ready for you guys to be able to come pick up. We do have pictures in, and so when we schedule the time, maybe even starting as early as next week for parents to start coming up and getting their kids things, we will make sure and get you guys your pictures as well during that time. So we do have those, and we'll be getting those out to you. I know parents have really been wanting those. So look for that information to come. I hope you guys have all had are hanging in there. You're taking care of yourselves. You're not letting school cause added stress. We don't want that for you guys. Please know that we're flexible and that we'll do anything we can to support our families at home. I hope you guys have a great week. Go Eagles. Hope to see you guys soon.